Hey everyone, are you on the hunt for the perfect laptop that won't break the bank? Looking for a powerful machine under RS40000 that can handle all your daily tasks, whether for work, study, or entertainment? If so, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll show you the 3 best laptops that offer incredible value and performance for your budget. Let's dive right in. First on our list is the Asus VivoBook Go 15. This laptop is an excellent choice for anyone who needs something light and portable. It weighs just 1.63 kilograms, making it super easy to carry around. Specifications: it's powered by an Intel Core i3 13th Gen processor, which is more than capable for everyday tasks. It comes with 8 GB of RAM and a 512 GB SSD, ensuring a snappy performance and fast boot times. The display is a clear and vibrant 15.6-inch Full HD panel, perfect for watching videos or getting work done. Pros: the build quality is solid, the keyboard is comfortable for typing, and the battery life is quite decent. Cons: however, it's not the best choice for heavy-duty tasks like professional video editing or gaming. Next up, we have the HP 15S. HP is a brand known for reliability, and this laptop is a perfect example. It's a great all-rounder that offers both solid performance and durability. Specifications: under the hood, you'll find an Intel Core i3 12th Gen processor, 8 GB of RAM, and a 512 GB SSD. The 15.6-inch Full HD display delivers crisp visuals for all your needs. Pros: HP is a trusted brand with reliable customer support. The performance is stable, and it's built to last for a long time. Cons: some users might find the build quality to be slightly less premium compared to others, but it's a minor point given its excellent performance. Finally, our third pick is the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3. If you want a blend of sleek style and strong performance, the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 is an outstanding choice. Specifications: it features a powerful AMD Ryzen 3 7320U processor, 8 GB of RAM, and a 512 GB SSD. The 15.6-inch Full HD display is great for streaming movies or giving presentations. Pros: its design is incredibly slim and modern. The performance is top-notch, and it boasts a very good battery life. Cons: the number of ports is a bit limited, so you might need a dongle if you use multiple accessories. So, which of these 3 laptops is the best for you? If your priority is a thin, light, and fast laptop that's easy to carry, the Asus VivoBook Go 15 is your winner. If you're looking for a reliable, well-known brand with consistent performance for everyday use, the HP 15S is the perfect choice. And if you want a stylish design with a fantastic blend of performance and portability, the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 3 will meet all your needs. I hope this video helped you in your search for the perfect laptop under RS40000. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments which laptop you choose. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our future tech videos. All the best buy links are in the description below. Thanks for watching.